Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need neon pony beads. I have some mini pony beads. You're going to need a large bead for the center of your ring. It doesn't matter what it is, but you'll need a big bead, and you're also going to need, well, I'm going to have my ring say P.L.U.R, but you can choose a 4 or 5 letter word. And then I also have some of these and a little butterfly. And you're also going to need scissors, a lighter, a needle, and I have 2 pieces of string. This one's going to be for the ring part, and then this is going to be the main string we're going to work with. But before we get started, I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about P.L.U.R. So P.L.U.R stands for Peace, Love, Unity, and Respect. And before P.L.U.R, it was called Plum. And that stands for the Peace, Love, Unity movement created by Frankie Bones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the description box a video that you should check out, because he will go into detail and explain the movement, which is pretty cool. A really cool part of history. So we're going to start with that longer piece of string, and we're going to add 10 pink beads. Okay, once you have your 10 beads on, you're going to tie this. And I really don't think a lot of people know about Frankie Bones, like sleeping on him. He's the man. Okay, we're going to put our needle on. We're going to go through one of these pink beads. You're going to add 5 pink. And we're going to skip a bead and go through the second one. We're going to add 5 more pink. Lost one. Okay, we're going to skip this bead and go through this one. So for the base of, for the base of this, we're just making a star. So if you already know how to do that, you can skip this part. All right, so we're not going to go through this one. We're going to go through the next bead. We're going to add 5 more. Skip this bead and go through this one. We're going to add 5 pink. And we're going to go through this bead here. What I'm going to do is make a knot right here so this stays tight. I'm going to make another one. So I just made a knot right here. And I already know that this bead isn't going to fit with the needle. So I had to take that off. And you're going to put your center bead on. And now we can put this back on. Trying to line this up. Okay, it looks like this bead will make it centered. Okay, once you have that, you need to take your needle and get up to the point of this bead, or the middle bead. Okay, once you're at the top here, I don't think this goes through. No, that won't fit either. Okay. I'm going to add one of these. I'm going to add my R. And an orange bead. I'm going to add another orange. And I'm going to go through this bead here. You know what? I think I'm going to do only one orange. I want it more round. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put one of these on. My U. A yellow. And then I'm going to go through this middle bead. I'm going to add this bead, my L, and a green. I'm going to go through this middle. I'm going to add one of these, my P, and a blue. I'm going to go through this bead here. I'm going to add this bead and my butterfly and a purple, and we're going to go through this bead. You're going to pull it tight, and we're going to tie it right here. You know what? I have enough string to make my ring. So if you have enough string, you can do this. We can just run the string down here. If not, then you would just put your string in. So we're just gonna get to one of these center beads. It doesn't matter which one. And now we need to make a ring. And I'm just going to do the rainbow. Might do, let's see, I might do that again. And then try it on. Okay, yeah. I mean, it's a little loose, but you're going to make this the size that you need. And then once you have that, you can tie this. And then cut this off. So here's our little ring. I hope you guys go and check out that video. It's pretty cool. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.